my name is Angela Newsel with Premier Events, and I'm going to talk with you today about some emerging trends that we are seeing in event rental. Due to the COVID pandemic, many couples have had to change their original wedding plans, but that does not mean that you cannot have a beautiful wedding while mitigating the risk of your guest. We know that outdoors is better than indoors, so we have seen a trend towards outdoor venues, Airbnb rentals, and backyard weddings. Due to the demand for outdoor weddings, we have seen an increase in demand for tents, lights, tent decor, and draping. Tent lighting can make larger spaces feel warm and cozy and highlight event decor, while draping will allow you to personalize a tent structure to your preferred style. We've also seen a mix of table sizes to accommodate for families to be seated together, as well as the return of seating charts. Buffets have not been as popular in the last several months, and instead, plated dinners are preferred. Premier Events has full place settings available for you to rent to dress your table. Lounge furniture, accent pieces, and velvet linens continue to dominate the current trends. Please give us a call or make an appointment to visit one of our showrooms in person or virtually. We'd love to help with your special day.